Sometimes we add degree to our numbers. So we, for example, want to show temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit. And first thing we have to do is insert degree sign. We can copy it from internet, or from insert tab we can choose symbol command, and here we want to go to subset Latina 1, so we can expand this drop down list and press L. Okay, so just one L was enough for me. Latina 1 supplement, and here we can find degree sign, so just insert it, close this window and press enter for this situation. And because I'm from Poland, we are using Celsius, so degree and C, just like that. So the simplest solution for me is to copy this now, Control C in edit mode, and then select all cells, all numbers we want to add these degrees, and press Control 1, go to custom, and I want just simple 0 and Control V those sign. And sometimes I need space between those signs. If the text you are putting here after the number doesn't show properly in the sample example, you can write the text in double quotes, so it's bulletproof for this situation if you want to add text to numbers. And just press OK, and just like that we have temperature in our example.